How to draw the Leviathan Axe from Fortnite. Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a slanted shape towards the top center of our page. Nice job! Next up, underneath of that shape that we just made, we're going to make a long, curvy L-like shape that will be slanted and connected to what we just made. Now we're not going to finish here just yet, we're going to come back later on. Now we're going to move up to the right side of the first shape that we made, and we're going to begin to make a long, sharp point of our axe. Fantastic! Now let's go down below and let's finish that curvy L line that we previously started to make. Nice job! Now let's move up top on the left side of our axe. We're going to begin to make a pointed sharp edge, but this will be much shorter than we made on the right hand side. In between the two sides of our axe, up top, we're going to begin to make a small cube-like shape. Now right below what we just made inside of the very first shape, we're going to begin to make a total of 3 shapes. We're going to make 2 circles along with a shape that will look similar to a diamond-like edge. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you up to date on the latest drawings every single day. Now last but not least, we're going to add in a rope towards the bottom of the handle. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see future videos just like this. Great, now let's stick around so that we can count our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.